Hello everyone, today I have a super easy and inexpensive DIY. This looks really nice in your home as a centerpiece. It also looks really expensive, or you can gift it to someone as a Christmas handmade gift. This video is part of a Christmas challenge hosted by the DIY Mummy. I will leave the link to her channel in the description box along with a playlist. I'd also like to say I still have the flu, guys. It's just taking forever to go, so I'm really sorry about my voice, but hey, I'm still trying to craft and get a video out for you all, so I hope that you enjoy. So I'm trying to work with everything that I already have at home, and we're going to start with this wood log. Depending on where you are, you can get these yourself for free. I had to purchase them. But this is going to be the main thing. This is going to be our structure that we're going to work with. And all of these I have in my drawers already, so try to make use with what you have. For the greenery, I got this from Poundland, and you can just take them apart. So you can cut them, or you can just simply take one off like this. They come off quite easily. So I've got some baubles, and I'm going to start with these. So just arrange your greenery how you like and just hot glue them in place. So you can see I'm making it more interesting by adding in different lengths. So I've got a small one here, medium and large at the back. And now I'm going to cut pieces of this garland off to stick onto here. I've got these miniature pine cones, and I'm going to just dry sponge brush them with some white acrylic paint so that they've got a snowy effect. And then just stick them down wherever you like. We're going to be using this as our artificial snow. So I'm going to spread it around with a lollipop stick. So it's a bit tricky, you just need to try to get into all of the corners. So make sure that you turn it around so that you can get in from the back as well. Once you're done covering your base, this is optional, but you can use a snow spray just to add a snowy effect to the green plants. And then lastly, just add your figurine in place and you're done. And this is a finished DIY. I am so happy with it. I think it looks so adorable. It's definitely one of my favorite things I've made for Christmas. I was really worried because I'm in quite a lot of pain and I just wasn't sure what I was going to be able to do, so I am really happy with how it came out, and I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial as well. If you have, please do leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and you want to see more. As always, thank you all so much for your support and for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!